Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Miss Hoshika's Craft Time. I am coming behalf of the Tea Center, and today we are going to do this yellow and red heart. Let's see what we will need to make our yellow and red heart. So you will need some small pieces of red and yellow paper, a regular sized construction paper, some scissors, and some glue. Let's see how to make these hearts now. First, you're going to take your white paper and fold a quarter of the paper loosely. So I'm going to first fold this in half so I will know the size. And I'm going to fold it in a quarter. Once I am done folding my paper, I'm going to go ahead and cut out a heart shape. It's going to look like this before you open up the paper. Now you open it up. And now glue stripes of paper to the opposite side of the cutout. So the opposite side, I'm going to put this aside. And now I'm going to get ready with my stripes. I'm going to cut out my stripes. I'm choosing red and yellow today because I like these colors. And if you guys want to choose other colors to make this craft, that is totally fine. And you guys can cut your stripes in different sizes. Doesn't matter. Be creative. I think I have enough stripes now. Now I'm gonna get my glue stick and glue my stripes on this side of the paper. I'm gonna apply some glue onto the paper first. Now I'm gonna start gluing. You can be creative when you are pasting your paper stripes. You can do it in a pattern or you can do it freestyle, any way you would like to. Okay, I think I have enough stripes of paper. Now I'm going to go ahead and secure my paper stripes. Okay, now I'm going to close fold the left side of the paper over the right side and see how it looks. It looks great to me. Now I am going to glue this left side of the paper into the right side of the paper. Some glue. Then fold our left side. It'll look like this. And this is how you make a red and yellow paper stripe heart. And since the Father's Day is coming up in few weeks, you guys can make something like this and turn it into a card and write something nice to your daddy. Hope you enjoyed the craft lesson today and like us and share our video, and we would like to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for joining with us. Bye bye.